Welcome to unboxing of Allo Shanti power supply. So got this from Fab to Lab. So let's unbox it. They have packed it really properly. Yep. Here is the presentation, guys. So packed it really well. It's very long, huge in size. Build looks good. Yeah. The two outputs. The leads are not of great quality, but will serve the purpose. Yeah. Voltage selector. Let's see what all we get in the accessories. We get the IEC connector, Type-C micro USB, and different sized adapters. Yep. Let me see if the transformer buzzes and how is the quality of power. I'm going to power my DAC as well as Raspberry Pi through it. Thank you for watching.